warning for southern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, eastern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Stonybrook, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Windsor and WRIGHTSVILLE, Columbia and Stewartstown, MOUNTVILLE, Safe Harbor and Brogue, Shanks Ferry and Millersville, Sunnyburn. This will impact Interstate 83 between mile markers 1 and 20. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 30, Route 222. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.